Hello, welcome to Slyko Technologies. We are exploring the project management module in Odoo. So, what's it used for? The project module helps you plan, track, and manage work, especially when you are working on multiple tasks or handling a team. Whether you are building a website, delivering a service, or manage kind projects, this tool helps you to organize your tasks into stages and assign work to team members, set deadlines, track progress visually, and even log time using timesheets. And it's perfect for all businesses that works project by project. Let's take a deep dive into how it works step by step. This is our Odoo dashboard. Let's start by opening the project. This is the project dashboard. Here you will see a list of all your active projects, and each one is like a workspace for a specific client or service or team. Let's click into one of the projects like home construction. Now we are inside the menu called the Kanban board. Here each column you see represents a stage, uh, like new, in progress, review, and done stage. This helps you visually track how tasks move forward. And these cards uh, these cards these are the this card each card represents a task. You can click on a task to open it and see all the important details of the tasks here. Here you can see the task name and for whom it was assigned, and the next deadline date, and here you can also add a internal notes to the internal reference. And back to the Kanban view. um, the best part is here you can simply drag and drop these tasks as per the work process. Now let's create a new project. Click on create new, uh, and we will enter a few details here. Let's name the project as website design. And you will also see some set additional options. You can enable timesheets and billable. Timesheets to track work hours, and billable if you plan to invoice your clients based on the work done. And if this is for a client or custom client, you can link the customer here too. Once that's done, click on create project. Before we start adding tasks, let's configure our project stages. These stages helps to define the flow of work, like what's pending, what's being worked on, and what's completed. Here you can create stages like new and click on add, and the second stage is in progress and click on add, and the third stage is review and done. And you can rename these stages and rearrange them uh, as your priority. And you can also choose to fold certain columns to keep your dashboard clean. Click on these settings and click on fold to fold this. Now let's create our first task. Tasks are the building blocks of our project. They contain all details your team needs to take action. And we will name this task as design homepage. And assign it to the team member. And click on add. And open the task and made the necessary changes like set the milestone and keep the tags. um, it helps to for team focus on what matters the most, and set the deadline and allocated time. And click on save to save this. Here you can also tag the task with keywords like UI UX and here the star mark represents the priority. If we set this priority, it will help the team focus on what matters the most. And some tasks are bigger and need to be broken down into smaller parts. Um, that is subtask. Let's open our design homepage task and open the subtask, and we will add a few subtasks like title as sketch wireframe, add finalize colors, and this each subtask also can be assigned. I'm assigning this to. And tracked and move stages just like the main task. Now let's talk about the timesheets. Odoo lets you to log the time spent on each task. Click on the timesheets. Here you can add uh, time manually or you can start a timer. Here add the time manually and enter the description. Task and time spent. You can add the time spent here and click on save. This is the perfect for service-based businesses, billing clients, or just understanding where your team's time is going. Now let's look at the planning feature in Odoo. This planning feature helps you to schedule tasks, assign workloads, and manage deadlines using the calendar view or the Gantt view. Now click on any project and see the calendar view here, and here you can see what are the scheduled tasks for the team on this week or this month or this day. Or you can see through the planning app, planning module, which was separate here. Here you can see the scheduled tasks as per the employee in the calendar view. Here the each bar is represents a task scheduled for a team member, and you can easily drag and drop this to reschedule or adjust the duration. Planning view is perfect for teams who want a clear picture of what's scheduled, who is overloaded. If we click on anything on this, here you can see the details of the work. And you can even switch to the Gantt view for a full project timeline, and especially helpful when tasks are dependent on each other. And in these filters you can see as per by the project, uh, based on the project which task was assigned to which employee. Just by clicking on this allocated time. And once your team has started working on tasks, and logging hours. It's time to analyze the progress. uh, let's open the project module and reporting, task analysis. Here you will find um, the reports like tasks which are in new stage, which are in progress, and as by the stages, and as per the cancelled ones and done. You can filter these by the assignees, group by assignees, and the projects, and even the deadline also. Open the Gantt view to see the details very clear. And you can select the measures from here. um, Days to deadline, and you can also see this by through assignees. And you can review the report like this. Okay, this is about all the project module which helps you to track the tasks and the planning and the timesheet analysis. Thank you.